Hi, my name is K2 at MCS, and today I got a video for you on a PPQ Walther pistol. Right, let's get started. So this is the package that comes with your pistol. You got a case, one pistol, one magazine, and this is a spring. If you want to shoot rubber balls, you're gonna have to change to the spring. It has a little more compression, so it fits around better. One thing to note though, if you're gonna, I was testing it earlier and I dropped the pistol. I dropped the magazine, and it messed up the magazine. So if you're gonna drop the magazine, it's not gonna work. Let me show you what happened when you drop the magazine. So when you put a trigger right there, see how it's stuck, it doesn't return. Okay, that's because the barrel gets stuck inside of the chamber. So when you go release, you can't release it. This is what I did to release it. Go like that and it release. This magazine right here, it's gone. I dropped it right, it landed right in the middle right here, and it changes that geometry. Now it's done. Okay, so I got another magazine. So let's load air here. So you slide back, get your wrench, lock it in. You have to do it quickly so that way it seals it right away, just like that, and slide it back. Now let's load some round up. So the magazine holds 8 rounds, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Hey, squeeze it 9. All right. You can rack it back, shoot it. All right, that's one mag. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Yeah, you can put 9 in there. Release it. Fire again. Empty. That's 2. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. All right. Release the slide right here. Back it again. Shoots pretty good. So after the third mag, see how the slide stopped locking back? I think you can still go for a few more rounds, but then it doesn't have enough juice to rack back the slide. Let's go for another mag. We've got so far 3 magazines. There are about 24, 25 shots there. Let's see what the 4th magazine can do. You can cheat a little bit. What I normally do sometimes, I hold back the slide release and keep shooting. So here goes. Yeah, shoot pretty well still, right? Wow. So still shooting. Let's see. That's our 4th mag. Let's try the 5th mag. All right. Wow, it's kind of stiff there. Well, it won't rack back the slime up. Stop losing its air. Oh yeah. So about good solid 3 mags. 4th one's okay. The 5th one, stop giving that blowback on the slide. So that's your PPQ. It shoot pretty well. Kick back pretty good. Hope show you guys some information on that. If you have any questions, let me know. Thank you for watching.